Our question of the week comes from Laura Zebahazy, who sent these pictures of her afflicted tomato plant late last summer. She had the same issue the year before, but it was more widespread. Laura says the issue starts mid-canopy and travels up and down the plant, causing leaves and flowers to die off. Well, as we answered last June, this is blight, which is just a general term that we use to refer to several different fungal diseases. Texas is a prime location for fungal diseases in tomatoes due to our heat, humidity, and because the growth habit of tomatoes inhibits air movement within the plant canopy. Because these conditions are ideal for spreading diseases, if this is a recurring issue for you, it's suggested to use a fungicide protectant on a regular basis, once every 7 to 10 days if air is humid, and every 14 days if the air is relatively dry. For this type of situation, fungicide should be used as a protective measure prior to symptom development and not as a curative measure. Once the blight shows up, there's really no reversing it. Generic copper sulfate fungicides will do the trick, and you could also try planting fewer tomatoes farther apart to encourage air circulation between plants. Also be sure that the plants are getting full sun for at least 6 to 8 hours a day, and that you're only watering the root zone at the base of the plants, not the leaves. And be sure to remove any infested plants right away before the problem spreads. In March, Jennifer Leffler noticed something interesting on the mountain laurels at her office. This odd development is in an area of malformed tissue known as fasciation. Most often found in the tips of stems, leaves, and flowers, fasciation occurs at the site of cell division. It's not contagious and is usually only found on one area of an individual plant. Reoccurrence the following year is also rare, and ultimately this is not an issue to worry about. We still aren't sure exactly what causes fasciation, although the current consensus is that there are multiple causes, including both bacterial and viral infections, damage from insect feeding, spontaneous genetic mutation, and environmental anomalies like frost or herbicide damage. Mountain laurels attract so many wonderful pollinators, from bees to butterflies. Near Houston, Jay Danella sent a picture of his gorgeous mountain laurel. In his National Wildlife Federation certified backyard, he layers plants for all seasons. Summer cannas join American beautyberry in fall, and in every season, birds and other animals get a drink from the pond. We'd love to hear from you. Head to centraltexasgardener.org to send us your questions, pictures, and videos.